everybody, it's me Sissy. I'm finally back to continue our Countdown to Christmas series. I'm so far behind and the timing's all messed up from the two near hurricanes we had here. Turned out to be just tropical storms, so we didn't really have much damage. I had a little bit of damage. Both storms, limbs fell out of the pine trees in my yard and pulled the panel box off my house, so I was without power. But things are getting back to normal now, so I'm going to try to catch up, but I can't remember what week I'm supposed to be on, so it's just going to be Countdown to Christmas. So I'll do the videos whenever I get a chance. This is going to be a quick and easy little gift you can make for a lady in your life or a gentleman in your life who likes to do skincare. This is going to be a body scrub, a sugar scrub. So we're going to use the Butcher Boy coconut oil, some of the pure cane sugar, and I got all this at Dollar Tree. And then to kind of flavor or scent our body scrub, there's a lot of different things from Dollar Tree that you can use. You can get this dried fruit. They have the apple slices, strawberries, and peach. You can blitz these up in the blender, make them a powder, and mix them in. They have some extracts, and some of the Dollar Trees have been having some essential oils. Unfortunately, mine has not had any yet, but they do have some great teas. They have peppermint tea, passion fruit and peach tea, and green tea with ginger. So today we're going to do a green tea with ginger body scrub. And you can put these in the different size jars depending on how much you want to spend on your gift. They have these lovely little jars like this. They have bigger jars. They have the mason jars, the little mini mason jars. Those would be good too. These are just two little jars, craft jars that I have. This would be good if you did something with some peppermint in it to make a lip scrub, exfoliator for your lips. This would be a good little thing for that. But anyway, let's get started. It's really simple. We're just going to take a half a cup of this coconut oil, and I've got a nice microwave safe bowl, and we're going to put a half a cup of oil in here, and then we're going to open 2 of these tea bags and put them in the oil and heat it in the microwave until they melt. And that way it'll kind of warm that tea and kind of spread the fragrance around in the oil. Now just do it till it's barely melted, because I mean you don't want to scorch the tea. That won't smell good. I think there might be a cup of oil. I don't, how many ounces is this? Yeah, this is almost a cup. So you could get 2 batches out of this jar. If you want to make a bunch, I would suggest comparing the price of this with the oil you can get in like a Walmart or Costco or something like that. But then all we're going to do is open up our tea, and then we're going to open the tea bag. Sprinkle that tea in there. And you could, if you have some essential oils, you could just add those into a few drops. Just make sure that there's some oil that's just for fragrance, and you don't want to put that in there because it could cause a burn when it gets on your skin. So just make sure that if you get the essential oils, you get them from like the soap making part of the craft store, or online it says, you know, that it's not a hazard to go on your skin. But anyway, I just dumped 2 tea bags in with my oil, and we'll pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Okay, so we've got it all melted, and we've got our little specks of tea floating around in the melted oil. So now we're just going to add a half a cup of this sugar. We're going to just do a half a cup to start with. And you can use just regular white sugar with this, or, you know, it's up to you. But I like this texture of this. It's a little chunkier. Oh, here my puppy. It's in the food bowl. So we're just going to do 1 cup at half a cup of sugar at the time until we see the consistency. Get it mixed in really good. Okay, I think that's looking a little loose, so I think I'm going to add another half a cup of sugar. And you could add a drop of food coloring in here if the color doesn't appeal to you. Like if I was going to do the peppermint tea, I might want to put a little drop of the red food coloring in it. Not enough that it would stain someone's skin when they used it, but you know, just enough to give it a little hint of red color to it. Now if you use the dried fruit, you don't have to add any color because they have a lot of color in them. And you can combine any flavors you want. You could do a coffee scrub with caramel extract in it, or you know, just whatever flavors you like. A lemon tea would be good too. It would smell all lemony. Okay, that looks much better, but now your coconut oil is going to solidify a little bit. Here in the South, it's not going to get that hard. But if you live in a colder climate, and you know, the colder it is in your house, the more solid it will be. So that looks like that might be enough. I'm going to smell it and see if it's got enough fragrance. Oh yeah, that does smell like ginger. Now you could add some extra ginger if you wanted to. Or you could add some more tea if you wanted to. I think I might put 1 more pack of tea in here. When you get it all mixed up, all you're going to do is put it in your jar. Now, if you want to get really fancy, you could do like different colors of it and layer it into jars, you know, kind of like when you used to do sand art at school. Okay, yeah, and that made just enough to fill up this jar. And then you can just put your lid on it. And then if you have some pretty ribbon, like I said, I'm going to do this for a Christmas present. I have this ribbon that looks kind of Christmassy. All you're going to do is, just like I did on the bath salts, you're just going to take your ribbon, pull out a length, tie a knot in it with a loop to put your little spoon in it. And I'm still using up my pack of spoons that I got from the Dollar Tree, my little silver spoons. These are great. And now in there they have some scoops. It's like if you did the bath salts, you could put a scoop on it, which would actually be better than this little spoon. But this will do for the scrubs. So you want to pull the ribbon tight enough that it'll hold your spoon, but it won't slide through. Then we're just going to tie it on our jar with a pretty bow, and then you can hang a tag on it. And Dollar Tree is getting out their Christmas gift tag, so you'll have a lot to choose from. Just tie my bow. You know me and my bows. I can sit here and play with this bow for an hour and try to get it the way, just the way I want it. Bow on there, and then you just want to clip your tails. And you can include this in a little gift set, or you could do a collection of them with different flavors, or you could just give one, put it in a nice little the little mini gift bags you can get from the Dollar Tree, and that'd be a great little gift. But anyway, there you go. That's our sugar scrub. Now, you just let this sit on the counter, and that coconut oil in there is going to solidify. And if you see that you've got too much oil on top and you want to add a little more sugar, just add some more sugar to it till it gets to the consistency you like. But anyway, that's part of my countdown to Christmas. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Y'all have a great week. Bye.